Monday, November 13, 2023. Focus. Temptation to sins are sure to come, but woe to the one through whom they come. Luke 17, verse 1. In today's Gospel, Jesus teaches us two vital lessons: to forgive those who sin against us, and to avoid being the cause of one of these little ones to sin. When Paul addressed the issue of eating food offered to idol, 1 Corinthians 8, he is referring to the second lesson. There was a confusion in those recently converted who have given up idol worship. When they saw others eating such food, similar situation happen even today. Jesus speaks clearly about the punishment for those who use their freedom to do what they like, although knowing it is wrong, while ignoring the scandal it is causes. Scandal is an attitude or a behavior which leads another to do evil. This is what prompted Jesus to reproach the scribes and Pharisees. Fruit. I will examine my conscience regarding what kind of witness I have been and repent if I have failed to be a good one.